Alright, today I'm at Artley Coffee, located right in the heart of downtown Seattle. With a name like Artley, it doesn't have as many paintings as you might expect, but it does have something else cool. This is an AI-powered robot barista. Technology and coffee. This is Seattle Nirvana. Now let's go inside and check it out. Come as you are.
Please use the iPad on the counter to order. Hi.
Well, hello there. Or should I say, domo arigato, Mrs. Roboto. I'll just scroll through here and make my
I
selection.
am Jarvis. How are you today?
I'm doing good, thank you, and when the robot overlords take us over in the future, let it be noted that I was nice and polite to you, please.
Please use the iPad on the counter to order.
Now I've selected my drink on the iPad, and now it's time to pay. I'll just tap my credit card over here. There we go, and it says my order should be ready in 1 minute.
Hi, I am Ponya. How are you today?
At first I thought it was mad at me because it went all the way over there. But then I realized it's just letting off steam.
Excellent
Please use
choice.
the iPad on the
Great.
counter to order.
Our hot chocolate is very popular. Let me prepare it right away. In the meantime, you can find more details in the Artley Coffee app.
Here you can see it's got a little progression bar where it tells you how far along it is until your order is finished.
You can order drinks on the kiosk or the Artley Coffee app. Hi, I am Jarvis. It is my pleasure to serve you today.
Excellent choice. Omar, our artisan Earl Grey latte is one of my favorites. Let me prepare it right away. In the meantime, you can find more details in the Artley Coffee app.
Please use the iPad on the counter to order.
I need 77 more oat milk. The store staff will refill the oat milk shortly. Please ask for help if the problem persists. Thank you.
Hi, I am Jarvis. How are you today?
Let me continue.
And the progression bar is letting me know that it's finished, and my drink is ready.
Great. Your hot chocolate is ready. Have a good one.
Thanks, I just said that.
You can order drinks on the kiosk or the Artley Coffee app.
Normally I would wait until I got to my seat to have a drink, but this thing is super full, and I'm not about to spill a hot liquid on myself, so how about a little sip first?
Hi, I am Amanda. It is my pleasure to serve you today.
You can order drinks on the kiosk or the Artley Coffee app.
Well, I'm going to sit down and enjoy my hot chocolate. That's all from Artley Coffee in Seattle, the AI robot barista.
Goodbye.